Eagles spread their wings. Mizuho Minen, Guangdong Yingsui Fire Equipment Co., Limited, was established in 2008. Headquartered in Yuzhou CBD Business District, Guangzhou City, Guangdong Province. The manufacturing base is located in Jubo Industrial Park, Fogang. The company owns 10,000 square meters of modern production and experimental sites, supporting design team, standardized production process, large flow test site, provide solid after-sales services, warehousing and logistics integration services. It is a high-tech, technologically advanced, small and medium-sized enterprises, integrating R&D, design, manufacturing, sales, installation, and maintenance. Intelligent operation of a compressed air foam fire suppression system that responds to water ash or uses variable frequency starts. A balanced pressure proportional mixing device with ultra-wide flow range, large pressure range span, and stable operation. Mechanical pump-in with the advantages of low vibration, low noise, and small pressure loss. A new type of intelligent and environmentally friendly IG-100 and IG-541 carbon fire pipe, gas fire extinguishing device. Use the lowest rated pressure. The range exceeds the national standard value of water. Dual-purpose dry powder cannon. It can be installed both front and back. Guaranteed near-panoramic coverage. Equipped with a 0 to 35 meter high fire turret and control system. Can be manual, electronic control, hydraulic control. Can also be wireless, remote control. 200,000 bendy crack-free diaphragm. With flame-proof pressure switch polished for many years. Solenoid valve provides stable performance for multi-pressure grade stainless steel or cast iron rain alarm valves. Second on, second off. An anti-freeze type anti-collision pressure regulating ground fire hydrant, intelligent monitoring. A global intelligent dry powder fire extinguishing equipment that can spray various dry powder, fire extinguishing agents with gun nozzles. Foam more than 500 times, different flow rates. Fixed, mobile high multiple generator. Semi-automatic performance is stable and widely used foam fire hydrant box. Resistant to seawater, high-pressure tunnel foam, spray valve group. Safe and environmentally friendly fire extinguishing, high-pressure water mist fire extinguishing system. Safe, intelligent, efficient and stable perfluorohexane fire extinguishing device. The company established a research and development team, cooperate with the Institute of Natural Consumption, Sichuan Institute, Chongqing Traffic Regulation Institute, and various research institutes and colleges of Guangdong University of Technology to develop new fire protection projects. The product has obtained more than 40 national patents such as fire gun system and water fire protection system. The company produces more than 300 models of products. Obtains nearly 200 national fire certification certificates. It has also passed ISO 14001 and ISO 450,001, CCS, European Union, CE certification, national certification. Possessing a safety production license, the Construction Enterprise Qualification Certificate for Professional Contracting of Fire Protection Facilities Engineering and Construction Mechanical and Electrical Installation Engineering. It is a member of China Fire Protection Association and Guangdong Provincial Fire Protection Association. Obtains the triple LVL honor of Quality Service Reputation and Integrity Management Demonstration Unit. It belongs to one of the enterprises that abide by contracts and value credit in Guangdong Province. It is a long-term strategic partner of China National Petroleum Corporation, Sinopec Group, CNOOC, and State Grid. The products produced by the company are widely used in electric power, LNG, petrochemical, tunnel, civil, and other fields. Project cases have been spread all over the country and overseas. Baihetan Hydropower Station, Guangxi Liubi, Converter Station, Nansha Thermal Power Plant, Zhonk Guangdong, Refining and Chemical Coal, Limited, China National Petroleum Corporation, Guangdong, Petrochemical Engineering, CNOOC, Guizhou Petrochemical Company, Zhejiang Petrochemical Project, Wuhu Yangtze River LNG Project, Jiangsu LNG Project, Guangzhou Baiyun Airport, Nanjing Intersection Airport, Hong Kong Zhuhai Macau Bridge, Shenzhen Corridor, Xiamen Hikang Tunnel, Hubei Radio and Television Center, Shanghai Kihua Hospital, South China University of Technology International Campus, Guangzhou, South Railway Station Underground Space. The development of an enterprise is inseparable from the continuous dedication of its employees. Let's work together for a better tomorrow for Yingsui. British Spike Fire. Make the world a safer place.